Hello guys and welcome to another NCLEX question review. Today we have NCLEX practice questions. Question number 1. The nurse is caring for a client with a diagnosis of chronic gastritis. The nurse monitors the client knowing that this client is at risk for which vitamin deficiency? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B12. Option C, vitamin C. Option D, vitamin E. Remember that chronic gastritis causes the deterioration and atrophy of the lining of the stomach, leading to the loss of the function of the parietal cells. The source of intrinsic factor is lost, which results in the inability to absorb vitamin B12. This leads to the development of pernicious anemia. For our first question, the only possible answer is B, vitamin B12. If you answer B, you answered correctly. Question number 2. Tonometry is performed on the client with a suspected diagnosis of glaucoma. The nurse analyzes the test results documented in the client chart and understands that normal intraocular pressure is option A, 2 to 7 millimeters of mercury. Option B, 10 to 21 millimeters of mercury. Option C, 22 to 30 millimeters of mercury. Option D, 31 to 35 millimeters of mercury. Use a process of elimination and knowledge regarding normal intraocular pressure to answer this question. Remember that normal intraocular pressure is between 10 and 21 millimeters of mercury. For our second question, the only possible answer is B, 10 to 21 millimeters of mercury. If you answer B, you answer correctly. Third question. All treatment team members are seen as equally important in helping clients meet their treatment goals. This type of therapy approach is option A, milieu therapy. Option B, interpersonal therapy. Option C, behavior modification. Option D, rational emotive therapy. Note the relationship between the words helping clients to meet their treatment goals and option A. All treatment team members are viewed as significant and valuable to the client's successful treatment outcomes in milieu therapy. For our third question, the only possible answer is A, milieu therapy. If you answer A, you chose correctly. Don't forget to subscribe for more great NCLEX practice questions. That's it for now. See you on the next video.